Happy birthday, Elvis! As my present to the king, I am going to answer the long-standing debate. Who has influenced culture more, Beatles or Elvis? I'm basing my analysis on current trends in popular American behavior. How do people look? Answer, fat. 2/3 of Americans are overweight or obese. Winner, Elvis. What do people love? Answer, guns. That's the only reason that Sarah Palin is popular. When Elvis met Nixon, guess what he brought as a present? A gun. Winner, Elvis. What is the most popular drug of choice? Answer, pills. 6 million Americans are addicted to pills. 10 different pills were found in Elvis's blood after his death. The Beatles were too stoned to remember their pills. Winner, Elvis. What is the most popular lunch? Answer, sandwich. That's according to the American Dietitians Association's annual report. Elvis lived on peanut butter and banana sandwiches. The Beatles lived on English cuisine, including spotted dick. Winner, Elvis. What is the funniest animal to dress up like a human? Answer, chimps. Elvis had a chimp named Scatter who would wear pants. The Beatles just had Rocky Raccoon. Winner, Elvis. Obviously, Elvis is the winner by a landslide. Sorry, Beatles, why don't you go gently weep alongside your guitar?